Let Garmin show you how to pair your Varia Vue headlight camera to your compatible Android smartphone or tablet. The Varia Vue headlight camera does require a micro SD memory card to record video. First, enable Bluetooth on your Android smartphone. Then, locate and install the Varia app from the Play Store. Open the Varia app. Then select Add Device. Next, we will put the Varia Vue into pairing mode. Begin with your Varia Vue turned off. Press and hold the power button on the left side of the device for 2 seconds. You will see a magenta light flashing when the Varia Vue enters pairing mode. Select Connected. Then, select OK. Select Next once the connection is successful. You can save memory on your phone and Garmin devices by storing Varia videos with the Vault. This cloud-based subscription service automatically backs up all your videos and provides easy access in the Varia app for searching, filtering, and sharing. Your Varia Vue is now connected to the Varia app on your compatible Android smartphone. You can now edit your Varia Vue light settings, such as setting the light to high, medium, low, day or night flash. You can also adjust the Varia Vue's camera settings. Select the circle at the top of the page. Select Camera Configuration. From here, you can adjust video quality, add data overlays, adjust the recording mode, and view the live camera preview. And that's it. You're now ready to see it and save it with your new Varia Vue headlight camera. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.